inside this package is a little gem. Yes. Inside this package you have an Aneng multimeter. Can you guess how much it costs? Yes. $5. For just $5, you've got a multimeter that you can use for basic electrical or electronic tasks like voltage measurement, current measurement, resistor readings, continuity checks, and diode tests. Now, don't get it wrong. When precision matters a lot, you can spend some more bucks to get a more precise multimeter. For a hobbyist or even a professional doing an electrical job that doesn't require the readings being accurate up to 0.01, this very cheap multimeter can be your best companion. Here's the Aneng sz308 multimeter being used for a battery drain test in a 2011 Honda Accord. Build quality. It is made of plastic that isn't the most durable but strong enough to last a long time. It's very small and compact without compromise on the display size. The screen is good enough to take readings under direct sunlight. A con of this multimeter is that there's no stand to incline it an angle when this is needed. Reading accuracy. Despite not being as accurate like those you'll get from the more expensive meters, the readings are good enough for repairs and simple diagnosis. Resistor readings of higher values are very accurate. It supports 10 amps AC current readings like most multimeters. Potential issues. The probes are not very long. You might need cable extensions with banana plugs and alligator clips when need be. The probes are also fragile. It didn't take long for me to break them. I, however, was able to solder them back.